check engine light just came on and it's giving us an error code of P0455 on a Cadillac SRX. To fix it, we have to change the EVAP Canister Purge valve, and that's this little part right here. First thing we're going to do is remove the hose, the electrical clip, and the bolt to take it out, and we'll pull this right out. The only tool you're going to need is a 10mm socket and extension, and it's located on the passenger side in the back right down here. Now here you can see the bolt, the electrical clip, and the tube. And here's a picture of those things taken off. The first thing you're going to do is remove the hose on the top right here. And you do that by pushing up on the white clip right here. And here's a picture of that same clip from underneath. So you're going to push that all the way up and pull back on the hose, and that's going to release it. The next thing you do is remove the electrical clip. This is tricky because you can't see it, but you got to do it by feel. Here's what the clip looks like when you remove it. To remove this clip, I pushed on that center plastic piece in the middle, and then I grabbed both sides of the orange clip and pulled it away from the purge valve to release it. Next, you're going to remove the 10mm bolt. To do that, I used the socket with the extension, and I attached it to the head of the bolt first and then added my ratchet. Now we can remove the old part. Installing the new part. We're going to do everything in reverse by putting this into the black hole, and then we're going to line up our bolt with the silver hole. So you can see here the black hole and then the silver hole. And then you're going to tighten that up with your socket. Now we can reconnect the electrical clip and the hose, and we're finished. This should take you about a half an hour and save you hundreds of dollars.